Without further ado, we are going to hear a message from Jess. Jess is with Dropdead Insurance, Canada's cheapest, fastest, and simplest online life insurance and solution for you. Hi, Jess. Thanks for being here.
Hi, Kathleen. Lovely to see you again.
Me too. I like the fire in the background. That is nice.
Thank you. Well, like Brad, I am not the most technologically advanced person. I did try to put up the background to the Kathleen Black one that looks so nice on everyone's little picture. No success. So I'm like, next thing, a nice roaring fire behind me. So there you go.
Yes, I love it. Absolutely. And I know you have an exciting, important is the right word, message with this year. And, insurance is top of mind. So I know you have a couple of videos and message. So I'm going to let you get started and share that. And I'll pop back on when you're done. Thanks, Jess.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. I'm Jess, and I am the customer care contact for Dropdead Life Insurance. Life insurance is not typically something that a lot of people find an exciting topic. We don't get people waking up in the morning and, yes, today is the day I get to buy my life insurance policy. It's just something that most people tend to avoid talking about. We don't like talking about death and dying and thinking about our own demise. So our first thing we had to address was how to get people to view it as not the scary thing, that life insurance is not something it's negative, it's something that is positive, it's something that should not be stressful. So the first thing was our name, Dropdead, which is obviously quite a bit different than other life insurance providers in Canada. We find people either love it or they hate it. If you go onto our Facebook page, we have lots of ads where people actively get into battles. People loving our name, some people not liking it, this name offends me, and they will go back and forth. And after that banter, people get more involved in discussing life and death, and we get great dialogues going, which is not something you typically see on other life insurance Facebook pages. So we definitely get people's attention with our name. The three things Dropdead wanted to be known for is being fast, simple, and cheap. So we have accomplished all those three things. I remember applying for life insurance for the first time. This is going back 13 years to when my first son was born, and it was a big deal. A broker and a nurse had to come to our house. I remember the application being 10, 15 pages long. The nurse had to take our blood, even though we were both healthy adults. And I vividly remember it because it was a big deal. That's not the case now. At the Dropdead website, the application is totally online. You do not have to speak to a broker unless you want to. You just click the button. The application is 15 questions, takes about 15 minutes. I've never had anyone call halfway through and say, I'm lost, I don't know what to do, help please. It's very simple, it's very user-friendly. We have a great tech team at Dropdead who's made the process extremely simple. So we have fast, we have simple, and the prices, we have worked very hard to have the best prices available in Canada. And taking myself, I'm 37-year-old, non-smoking woman. I have a policy with Dropdead for $450,000, and I pay just under $30 a month. When I was doing quotes for myself, I saw alternative quotes that went up to $48 a month. So do I want to pay just under 30 or do I want to pay 48? So obviously I went with Dropdead. Not just because I'm part of the company and because I'm married to one of the founders, but because it truly does have the best prices in Canada, which is what most people want. Life insurance is a commoditized item. All policies are basically the same. So how do we get people to buy from us? We're fast, we're simple, we're cheap. And our customers do come first with us. They're not just a number. We do care about providing policies to all Canadians and doing it at a price that is affordable for everyone, because we truly believe it is such an important product and that everyone should have one, regardless if you are single, if you are married, if you have kids, if you have a house, if you are a human, you need a life insurance policy, regardless of your age or status or anything. Obviously, the younger you buy, the cheaper rates you get. So we recommend the younger, the better. Our website has a lot of great features. We have a lot of blogs. We have a lot of video blogs. We have a lot of explainer videos. So if someone is a person that likes to know in advance how something is going to happen, we even have a application explainer video, so they can click on that and see exactly what they're going to have to do. We love giving our customers free things. So we have a free will option on the site as well. That's just not for people that apply, that's for anyone. That's just our gift to anyone, because wills and life estates can go hand in hand. And this was something that we felt we could give as a gift. So there's a free will option. And we really try to make buying life insurance simple, easy, cheap, and it is working. People are loving it. We're seeing lots of action. Dropdead is a relatively new company. It's been a couple of years in the making, but we did recently launch. We are young, but we are part of a three-way collaboration between Assumption Life, which is based in New Brunswick, and also Gen Re. So we are young. We do have the big dogs behind us. So that is working out very well. And yeah, I think that's about it. We truly believe that life insurance is something everyone should have, and we should get that conversation started. It's not something to avoid, death and dying, especially in this COVID age where it's a daily thing we hear about on the news. Young people, battling COVID and fighting for their lives, and it's something that we should all be prepared for. And it's just a very smart, proactive thing to do. And we've tried to make that experience as pain-free as possible.
Awesome. Excellent. Thank you, Jess. And there was a quick question. I don't know if it's something you want to be reached out or if you want to reply privately on Zoom chat, you can let me know. But they're asking, what about if you're over 50? How does that affect your policy amount?
Right. So right now, our website is up to age 45. And up to $450,000 of coverage. We are making changes to the site so that someone up to age 50 and up to $1 million can apply online. However, if you are out of that age bracket or need a higher amount, we can still help you. You just have to contact us directly and we can provide a policy and find the best price for a policy. So no matter how old you are or what amount you're looking for, we can help you. And we also have the online application that covers Ontario, PEI, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and new this week, BC and Yukon. So we are expanding our area to across Canada so we can include all Canadians.
Excellent. Thank you. That is fantastic information, Jess. And I think it's something that's important to, at least have options, right, to present to clients or discuss, because I know a lot of people are very wary of the mortgage version of insurance just covering the mortgage amount versus independent policy. And often realtors get asked that question, right? I'm being proposed, should I get this? Because it's discussed with the mortgage broker or the bank. So I think it's great to have other options to discuss up front. So I want to thank you for being here with us, Jess. And we've put all the information in the Zoom chat. For those of you watching in the Facebook group, we will email it out as well. Our team will email out contact information for everybody who's spoken today in case you need to connect with them.